Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Bugs Entertainment. If you're like me, your hair is the element that defines you. It's one of your forms of expression and it's just who you are. Unfortunately, as time follows, some of us may see signs of thinning. Now, I've always had thin hair, but recently my hairline got sent back a couple centimeters and my crown has just got a lot more thinner. It seems, however, that the world is always looking out for me and sent me thick fiber. Thick fiber is meant for us individuals who have spots of thinning and want to cover it up. Now, without further ado, let's get right into how this works. So let me introduce you guys to the products. Here we have the products as a whole, which contains the dark brown hair fibers for me. Now, there are two ways in which you can apply the fibers. If you have large areas of thinning, I would recommend the shaker. Taking off this lid, you will find the cap, which allows you to shake the fibers onto your head. If you're trying to treat smaller areas like that hairline, the applicator is the way to go. Removing the shaker lid and twisting the applicator on and attaching the nozzle. Now, before we get right into applying the products, I want to show you what I'm working with. My hairline on the right side has receded quite a bit and it's in the middle here where I have a lot of thinning. My goal is to cover up these areas just so that it isn't noticeable. Now, it's also important to note that the fibers work best on a thinning head of hair and not a bald head. The fibers are used to hide that thinning areas with the help of the hair. So if you're completely bald, the less natural it's gonna look. So first I'll use the shaker and I apply by shaking lightly. Now it's important that you do not overdo it. As you can see here, my head is slowly being covered. Once finished, I pat the fibers into my head. Now some people like to comb it in, but I find the comb creates streaks which makes the fibers more noticeable. Next, for my hairline, I apply little by little and making sure to maintain a distance from when I apply. If I apply too close, you will see very concentrated spots. I always pat the fibers in and then I apply any hairspray to seal it all in. Now, as you can see when I move my hair around, you can already see that my hair looks so much thicker. I don't see any patches and the fibers are subtle, which is very important. And that's pretty much it. The difference is absolutely amazing and I find it gives me a lot more confidence to walk around in public as my hair is just so important to me. What's great about thick fiber is they do not leak. So if you want to go out for a workout, you won't see black fiber dripping down your face. It's completely sweat resistant and easily comes out when you shower with the use of shampoo. I finally have a way to give my hair a couple more years of life, or at least look like it does. Thanks so much for watching. This is Bugs,